Have you ever felt like you're constantly searching for natural solutions to common ailments, only to end up overwhelmed by too many options? What if I told you that some of the most powerful remedies are simple, fast-acting, and could be sitting in your kitchen right now? In this video, we'll explore 5 life-changing natural remedies that you absolutely need to try, and wait until we get to number 5. It's a remedy so effective, yet often overlooked. Let's dive in. Natural remedies are becoming more popular, but there's still a lot of confusion about which ones truly work, and more importantly, how fast they can work. Are these remedies safe? Will they give you quick results? Today, we'll cut through the noise and focus on remedies that are not only backed by science but also tried and tested in homes across the world. We all face different health challenges. Maybe it's the occasional headache that hits at the worst possible moment, or bloating after meals, or perhaps it's chronic issues like inflammation that never seem to go away. The frustration of reaching for medications that only mask the symptoms is something many of us can relate to. What if instead of turning to pills, we could find fast relief in nature? That's what I'm here to show you today. Remedy 1, Ginger for nausea relief. Let's start with the natural powerhouse you've probably heard of, ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine to combat nausea, motion sickness, and even upset stomachs. But what makes it so effective, and how fast can it work? Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But here's the fascinating part: studies have shown that just consuming a small amount of ginger, whether in tea, capsules, or raw form, can provide near instant relief from nausea. If you're prone to car sickness or have ever felt queasy after a meal, ginger can be your go-to solution. How to use ginger. The simplest way is to brew a cup of ginger tea. Take a small piece of fresh ginger, about the size of your thumb, grate it, and steep it in boiling water for 5 minutes. Add a touch of honey if you like, and sip slowly. Within minutes, you'll feel your stomach settle. But here's the kicker: many people think ginger works only for nausea, but its benefits extend far beyond that. Did you know that ginger can also help reduce muscle pain from exercise or even lower blood sugar levels? However, one common mistake people make is consuming too much ginger at once. For some, that can actually lead to digestive upset. So, moderation is key. What's your experience with ginger? Have you tried it for nausea, or maybe another ailment? Drop a comment below, and let's see how this humble root has worked for you. Remedy 2, Peppermint oil for headaches. Next up is one of my personal favorites, peppermint oil. Have you ever had one of those headaches that just won't go away, no matter what you try? Before reaching for over-the-counter painkillers, try this simple remedy that has worked wonders for many people. Science behind peppermint oil. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which helps relax muscles and improve blood flow. When you apply it to your temples, it creates a cooling sensation that eases tension and pain. Studies have shown that peppermint oil can be just as effective as over-the-counter headache medications in certain cases. How to use peppermint oil. Simply take a small amount of peppermint oil, dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil, and gently massage it onto your temples and the back of your neck. You'll feel the cooling effect almost immediately, and within 10 to 15 minutes, the headache should start to subside. Do's and don'ts of using essential oils. One thing to keep in mind is that essential oils are potent, so you don't need much. Always dilute peppermint oil before applying it to your skin to avoid irritation. And a quick tip, you can also inhale peppermint oil for relief from sinus headaches. Headaches can be a real struggle. What's your go-to remedy for a headache? Share your thoughts, and let's see if peppermint oil might be the natural fix you've been looking for. Remedy 3, honey for sore throats. Let's move on to a remedy that's likely already in your pantry, honey. You've probably heard of using honey for sore throats, but why does it work so well, and how fast can it give relief? The science behind honey. Honey is not just soothing, it's also packed with natural antibacterial properties. When you swallow a spoonful of raw honey, it coats your throat, reducing irritation and inflammation almost instantly. But here's what makes honey special: it also helps fight the underlying infection, speeding up recovery. How to use honey. Next time you feel a sore throat coming on, try taking a spoonful of raw honey. For an even more effective remedy, mix it with warm water and lemon juice. Sip slowly, and you'll feel immediate relief. Honey's other uses and common myths. Now, honey's benefits don't stop at sore throats. It's also great for healing wounds, boosting immunity, and even improving digestion. However, there's a common myth: many people believe that heating honey destroys its benefits. The truth is, as long as you don't boil it, gently warming honey is perfectly fine. I'm curious, have you used honey for sore throats, or do you have another remedy that works for you? Let me know in the comments. Remedy 4, turmeric for inflammation. Turmeric is the golden spice you need if you're dealing with inflammation, whether it's joint pain, muscle soreness, or even skin issues. But how does turmeric work, and why is it so effective? The science behind turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury, but chronic inflammation can lead to a host of problems like arthritis and even heart disease. By incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. How to use turmeric. The most effective way to use turmeric is by combining it with black pepper. This boosts the absorption of curcumin. You can make turmeric tea or add it to smoothies and curries. Consuming turmeric regularly can help you see noticeable improvements over time. Avoid common pitfalls, but be cautious. One common mistake is thinking turmeric will work immediately like a painkiller. It's not a quick fix, but with consistent use, the results can be incredible. Start small and increase the amount as your body adjusts. Do you use turmeric in your diet? What benefits have you noticed? Let's hear from the turmeric lovers in the comments below. Remedy 5, apple cider vinegar for digestion. And finally, we have the often underrated apple cider vinegar. This remedy works wonders for digestion, bloating, and even heartburn. But what's the secret behind its fast-acting relief? The science behind apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the pH levels in your stomach and aids in digestion by stimulating the production of stomach acid. A small dose before meals can prevent bloating and discomfort, making it a powerful tool for anyone struggling with digestive issues. All you need is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals. It's a simple, fast, and effective way to improve digestion and prevent heartburn. Many people shy away from ACV because of its strong taste, but trust me, it's worth it. Start with small doses and gradually increase. And here's a mythbuster: while ACV is great for digestion, overdoing it can actually erode tooth enamel, so always dilute it. Have you tried apple cider vinegar for digestion, or is this a new remedy for you? Share your thoughts below. These 5 natural remedies are powerful, fast-acting, and can transform your health if used properly. I hope you give them a try and see how they work for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or experiences with these remedies.